Okay guys, today we're going to put up a header notice at the top of the website. This is really beneficial for the title that we put up there is kind of beneficial for the customer, maybe give them a little comfort and a little direction. Alright, so let's get right to this. So we're going to add a header banner, I'm sorry, not a banner, a header notice onto our e-commerce site. Alright, here we go. We're going to hit Journal and Modules. Alright, so then we're just gonna go down. It says Special Purposes, Header Notice. Header Notice, double click. Alright, so we want to make sure this is on. You know, it was off when I first tried this. There was another little glitch, but it was nothing. It was something stupid. Okay, so we want that on. And this one on, and it came on. That one was completely on. That one off, and this is my little saying that I put out there. You know, we used a lot of products in the past from China, and we want to make sure, especially for USA people, that they know that the products are not coming from, well, they may come from China, but these are products from U.S. distributors, so the products are already here in the U.S. and ready to ship. And I also put in here free shipping on orders over $75. And I have shop now. Now you can link this right here and come up here and link it to a page or a category or something. I did not do that at this time because we really don't have any products or categories out there. Alright, so some of this stuff, you know, you have to come back and fix up. But that'll all be done for you. You know, when we do a website for you, it'll be done for you already. And a lot of times, you know, I'm doing these videos because people want to change things. You know, they leave the website alone for a little while, and then they decide, hey, this page is getting a lot of traction. Let's put the shop now button there, or you know, that's a reason. Same thing with blog posts. You know, we do things when this one's getting traffic, we, you know, link it to a product or, you know, something to make us money. And so we can do that later on down the road. Alright, so come up here, and also what I did is I made it yellow. My favorite color is yellow. I've had a lot of businesses with yellow in it. You know, I had a car business with a yellow trailer, and it's something that it's bright. It's something they see. Alright, so we're going to save it and do that. I'm going to go ahead, just so we have no problems, come down to Systems, Tools, Nitro Pack. Get used to doing that, guys. And clear cache. Let's go ahead and clear this. Okay, I have no idea. I guess maybe because there's no products or something there and jumping up. But there it is. Okay. So that is done, and we're ready to move on to the next project. So hope you love this video. Like it, comment, give me some more ideas. You know, a different aspect is always great, and we'll get you what you want for the questions you have. I really appreciate you. We'll see you the next time.